Hi everyone, this is myself, Coach Lonnie and Silvis. Welcome guys to my next video. If you like that last clip that I just shared with you guys, get excited. Aren't you guys excited about that? Can you imagine uploading one video and then it goes up to 100 videos, then it goes up to 1,000 videos, and then it goes up to 2,000 and 3,000. Oh my goodness, oh my God. Oh, let's go guys. What are you waiting for? Keep making those videos, okay? We are in a YouTube program, and let's not take life for granted. Take your YouTube channel serious, guys. I want you guys to engage in your channel. How to ensure people to watch your videos. Get excited. Share you. Be yourself. Okay, like I'm being myself. I don't even know what kind of video I'm going to make and what it's going to turn out to. But just watching that clip, oh my gosh, that got me so excited. I don't know about you, but I give praise to the Most High God for actually sharing that clip to me this morning on YouTube. I am more motivated, I am more encouraged, and I am just, I'm just jumping on my feet. Look, I'm going to jump. I told you I was gonna jump. I mean, I'm so excited how people are watching me right now. Why? Because I want to engage with you. I want your channel to grow big. Okay, we're all gonna grow our channel big. We are millionaires, and we gotta think like a millionaire. We gotta believe like a millionaire, and we gotta manifest things like a millionaire should. The way we should think. Okay, our mindset should be already in the right thinking. All right, guys, my mindset, my subconscious, I have a subconscious. I named my subconscious, and she's a female, of course, because I'm a female, but my subconscious name is Celeste. Okay, and I always tell Celeste, hey, Celeste, look at this. All right, we're gonna make this channel. You're gonna give me creative ideas. I always talk to my subconscious mind, and Celeste, and um and it's actually helping me. It's actually helping me. I look at my subconscious mind as a person now, because I look at my subconscious mind as a friend, and I tell my subconscious mind what to do. So we're doing it together. I'm not doing this alone. Right, guys? So I want the importance of this video though is to how to ensure people to watch your YouTube videos. Number one, you got to make your videos. You got to start making videos. Number two, you got to show and share who you are and what are you about and what are you doing. Tell them what your YouTube channel is about. Okay, and all of us we all are connected with mindset. We all are connected with Wesley Virgin's mind hacks and done for you services. Okay, we make money with that too, because Wesley and Ariella helps us make money. So, and people are making money. Okay, we need to be sharing that. We need to be actually making videos like that more often. We've got to share the world what Wesley is offering, and that we are his students, that we have to do and duplicate him too, because we need to excel in the same thing that our mentor is doing. Okay, our mentor is not gonna, he can do all he can, but it doesn't work if we're not doing our part. Okay, it's not him that's going to get you rich. It's you yourself. You got to prepare you. You got to make yourself happen. You got to brand yourself. You got to make that YouTube channel prove to the world that what you are for real, and that they will be able to engage with you. They'll be able to trust you more. And guys, I don't know what to say about this, but that little clip just blew me away. And I don't know about you, but if I was you, I would start making my videos right now. Okay, guys, I didn't know I was going to make this video, but I wanted to make a quick video. I wanted to actually excite my team members in the buddy group. Get excited. I made this video for you guys because some of you guys have not been making videos. Some of you have. The more videos you have, the more people are going to know you, more views. I have already made a video about how to give you tips and tricks, how to keep people longer, to stay longer on your video. And that was like, probably, I think that was yesterday's video. So you need to look at that video, okay? Because I actually share it with you, and I actually show you how to do it. All right, it's up to you, okay? It's really up to you to take action. That's why I have a lot of views. I have a lot of views. And I actually do a lot of studying right now on a lot of things are happening in my mind right now. But you know what? I have to focus one thing at a time. And my main focus is actually making the videos first, but then also studying what I'm learning, knowledge every day, going on YouTube, learning from everybody that knows more than I do. Okay, they're more techie than me, so I have to actually build that foundation in order to build that knowledge in order to share it with all of you guys. But I do know that engaging in your engagement in your back office, you got to look at how your activity is, what's going on in your dashboard. Take a look at your activity, your engagement, and see where what people like in your channel, what people don't like in your channel. Make the videos that are related to what people are drawn to your channel. I know that for sure. All right, guys, I'll talk to you guys next later in the next video I make. Okay, bye.